got in boxes. Cassette, tire 1, 2.
Nice.
Rotor 1, rotor 2. For me to keep here, this is your rear one. Anything that makes me look like a dumbass, just edit it out. I'm gonna do this. Is your star ratchets right here. So there you go, that's all it is. So these are the 36 right here. Simple design, but it's been very bulletproof over the years. Yeah. That's what DT cool. Swiss hubs are cool too, because even if you have the cassette on, you can actually pull the whole thing off.
Yeah.
Where a lot of other bikes, you've got to take the cassette off, then you have your end cap you've got to pull off, then the free hub body will come off. With these, you just go.
Nice.
Difference between the 50, all the extra teeth there.
Used to engage all the power that I put down.
That's right. So the more grease, quieter it's going to be, the less grease, the less quiet. So this spring, you see it's got the narrow end to the top. Got to get it in like so, and it's going to push down on that spring. It fits right on top of that one for your engagement. Spring's already right there, still in there. The bearings are all greased and ready to go. And you just got to get that to line back up. And that's it.
That's it? Holy cow.
Yeah. Well, it'll get a little louder once it's on. It'll get a little louder. So what do you got? A DHR2 and a DHF? Okay. Oh, that's why they feel a little bit beefier. They're double downs. So you have extra beefy sidewall.
I probably didn't need that.
No, probably not, but you won't ever have to worry about burping them or doing anything. Or shredding the sidewalls. Turns like that, like this. So, because this side's your brake, and this side's where your cassette is.
Yeah.
And then you know your wheel is going to turn this way. Now, I usually orient so it looks a little prettier. We'll do the valve stem, I don't know, I would say like right in the middle, like the Min and DH2. So it's a little bit sexier than just a little bit. It's always a little harder to move once they get on there. There's probably an easier way to do this, like with soap and water. Oh, there we go. So, perfect. So, grab it. Nice. Oh, that's bead. It might not do the normal snap. Yeah. Set is next. Do that, and then the rotor, and then the rear will be done. Now, cool thing about SRAM is these are like one piece, or Shimano's can be like 3 or 4. And then you have the XD driver, so it literally just screws on those threads back here. So it's like super simple. Where when you have Shimano, you have the free hub with all the little keys, and you've got to line them up. This literally just goes on, screws on, tightens down, and you're good to go. So that guy there, this is okay. With the rotor, you got the directional, the little arrow on there. God, it's so fast.
That's awesome.
I'll give you this one in a minute. It's already starting. Same over here.
Beautiful.
Nice. That is. Probably do like 4 ounces of tire. That way it kind of runs. For now. So,
yeah, I'm kind of nervous.
I'll move those boxes over there.
Like, if I gotten spoiled, like gotten lazy with just being able to roll over a bunch of crap.
That's what the beauty of 29ers, man. They just roll over everything.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna put this on here.
Holy crap! That's really loud.
Really loud. It's louder than my Industry 9, which are really loud. Boom.
That's a lot quieter. Wow.
Yeah, I don't think you had anything to worry about with the 54.
Nice.
I can actually talk to you. With that, I couldn't even hear you.
Oh.
I like it.
Now you're gonna be like a silent killer on the trail. Nobody's gonna know you're coming up behind us.
Wow, that's pretty good.
Snap a bolt.
I use Phil Wood. There you go, bud.
Awesome.
That looks sick.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty.
Nice. So your bottom bracket height was actually raised about 3/4 of an inch. Oh, I think I hear a little brake rub.